Anyone send the link into my official WhatsApp group? Fast. Anyone send the link to my official WhatsApp group? Let's join pharmacy so that every student can join this. Those who are having backlogs in pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Walaikum assalam. Bilal. Fast. Anyone send the link into my WhatsApp official account? Hello sir. Hello. Hello Yashu. Inshallah. Thank you. Inshallah, in this class we will discuss a very important questions, and in tomorrow's examination from these questions only the questions can be framed. Inshallah, we will see that. Okay, as from my experience, alhamdulillah, as from my side, 2 papers I have discussed: analysis 1, then HAP 2, human anatomy and physiology. Alhamdulillah, the 2 papers also same. They have asked what we have discussed in the previous day. Tomorrow's examination is there. In previous day what we discussed, no, maximum questions are asked from that only. Okay, yes sir. Now let's start with the pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. See, POC-1, very easy subject, very easy. By practicing only 15 questions, sir, definitely you will pass your pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Sir, how can we pass pharmaceutical organic chemistry? Maximum, alhamdulillah, you can score maximum, you don't worry. See, some questions are there, 15 to 16 questions are there. You just practice these questions without leaving. Okay, you do hard night study today. If you know the questions means you don't worry if you read at morning. But if you are fail, sir, I don't know these questions, what to do? You just sit today the whole night and practice these questions. Definitely these questions will be asked in our examination, and I have already uploaded 2 marks questions. That 2 marks questions mandatory, you have to practice that all. Now let's start with the 10 mark first a 10 mark question. Let's go through the 2021 question paper. You first practice 2 reactions. One is SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction. These reactions are fixed, my dear brothers and sisters. Okay, substitution. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction 1, nucleophilic substitution reaction 2. First, what you have to write? You have to write what is this substitution reaction. Then you have to write the directly you go for mechanism. In mechanism, first you write steps. How many steps are involving? No, you write that steps there. In SN1, mainly in SN1, 2 steps. 2 step formation of carbocation, then the formation of alcohol. Then in SN2 again it is a single step. After that, after the mechanism, you go for the rate determination. Okay, then after rate determination you write the factors affecting SN1 and SN2. Factors, it is also very important one. Factors affecting. Next one, E1 and E2. E1 and E2 means it is the elimination reaction. Okay, E1 reaction and E2 reaction, SN1 and SN2. From these 2 reactions, 110% of tomorrow's examination, this is fixed for you. Okay, why means every time in the question paper either they will ask SN1, SN2, or they will ask E1 or E2. Sometimes if you are lucky means they will ask this in 5 mark also, 10 mark plus 5 marks. If you practice these means definitely you will clear here. Now next, after that what you have to read means you read all the condensation reactions. What are those condensation reactions means? Benzoin condensation, Perkin condensation, aldol condensation, cross aldol condensation, then Kenizaro reactions. These 5 reactions without missing, you have to read that, because these reaction will ask in 10 marks as well as in 5 marks. Okay, without missing. Next, after that, what you have to read means you have to go for what is peroxide effect, then what is its mechanism. See, peroxide effect, it is also known as anti-Markovnich's rule, anti-Markovnich's, and also Kharash method. It is also known as anti-Markovnich's, Kharash method, and also free radical addition reaction. Okay, it is also known as free radical addition reaction. If they ask anti-Markovnich's rule or free radical addition reaction or peroxide effect, these three are same. Don't get confused. Okay, these three are a same one. Yeah, you practice these for 10 marks. Now let's move for the 5 marks. See, I have told you SN1 reaction. Then water cycloaddition reaction, explain a Diels-Alder reaction with addition. Here first what you have to write means you have to write these cycloaddition reaction. Here cycloaddition reaction means these are the chemical reaction in the organic chemistry. Here what you are doing means here you are reacting the dienes, okay, with dienes means these contains the 4 and 4 pi electrons. 4 pi electrons are reacted with 2 pi electrons to form a cyclic structure. Okay, cyclic adduct or the cyclic structure. This is known as a cycloaddition. Then you have to write Diels-Alder reaction with mechanism. One reaction is there, see, one mechanism is there. You just write it down. It's enough word. Then you also write factors affecting. Means here diene, it depends on the electron receiving group, and that one more is there, so 4 pi electron, it depends on the electron donating group. Okay, these you have to write the factors. Then mechanism of Perkin condensation, I have told you, it is also very important. Next, go to the basicity of amine. In 5 mark, basicity of amine is fixed. You write down these questions, basicity of amine with suitable example. Here first you have to write what are amines. Amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Okay, ammonia. After that you have to direct go for basicity of amines. You have to give with a suitable example. After writing ammonia definition, amine definition, you go for the classification of the amines: primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine with an example. After that you go for the why amines are basic in nature, why these are. You have to explain two reactions minimum. Aliphatic amines are more basic than the aromatic amines. Okay, these 1 or 2 reactions you have to explain compulsory. Then discuss the acidity of the carboxylic acid. Basic, very important. Carbo acid is known as which will donate the protons. Carboxylic acid, you have to write the definition of that. Then classification means 2 types are there basically. One is very important, that is a carboxylic acid. And here in this carboxylic acid, very important one, don't skip this. You have to write the mechanism here. Mechanism means why these are acidic in nature, and also benzoic acid is more acidic than the acetic acid. Then why acetic acid is more acidic than the ethyl alcohol. This you have to write. Then aldol condensation, very important. Setzef rule, yes, this is also free radical addition reaction. See, this free radical addition reaction, last question, 9th one. This free radical addition reaction, it is also known as peroxide effect or anti-Markovnich's rule, Kharash method. Okay, and next let's move towards some more important questions. You go for the elimination reaction. These I already told you: SN1, SN2, E1, E2. This you have to keep in your pocket, ready one. Okay, Perkin condensation, aldol, these are also you have to keep in your pocket. Then write the general rules for IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes. It is also very important one. Then you go for a 7th question, define and classify carbocations. You leave 5 and 6 because these are some tricky ones. Now it is not possible to you. You just go for a 7th one, define and classify carbocations. Write a note on stability on them. See, carbocations, you have to write water carbocations, means these are positively charged compounds. Then you have to write primary carbocation, secondary and tertiary with example. Stability means they will depend on the resonance table. Then hyperconjugation, electronegativity, this you have to explain. Then you go for the chemical test, alcohol chemical test, aldehyde chemical test, these are very important. Then Kenny-Zero reaction, it is also. Carbonyl compounds give 3 general reactions of ketones and aldehydes. Okay, first you write what are these carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound means here the carbon atom is bonded to the double bonded to the oxygen atom. It is known as carbonyl. The two carbonyl very important groups are one is ketone and aldehyde. You go there. Then 4 chemical reaction of aliphatic amines. It is also very important. Very important. See 11th question. Explain ionization of the carboxylic acid and write the structure of carboxylate ion. Here you have to write the acidity of carboxylic acid only. Sometimes what happens, the question is tricky here. If you find the same related one, means you write that's what you had read, related one. Now see, they have asked here, explain ionization of carboxylic acid, structure of carboxylate ion. You write carboxylate ion structure, then you write the why the carboxylic acid is acidic in nature. Minimum you will get 2 to 3 marks there, no? Why to leave that question? You write down. Then 4 chemical reaction of aliphatic amines. When aliphatic amines, primary aliphatic amines reacted with nitric acid, secondary aliphatic amines reacted with HNO2, nitric acid, secondary, tertiary. These 3 to 4 reactions you have to write. Before that, you write first what are aliphatic amines. Clear? I have told you 2 marks are very important. You have to practice that. Then define and classify carbocation, stability on carbocation, SN1 and SN2. Already we have discussed this one. Then you go for qualitative test for alcohol. Already we discussed. What I am telling you questions, you practice those questions only, okay? And without skipping, you have to not skip that question. Yes, this one. Write 3 methods of preparation of alkanes. One is alkane, very important it is. Okay, preparation. You don't write just 3 method. Minimum you write 10 to 50, minimum 10 methods you have to write here. Preparation of alkane, minimum 10 method you have to write. One more you write Markovnich's rule. Markovnich's rule. Then this one. What is isomerism? Classify them with suitable example. First you write what is isomerism, then structural isomerism, then you classify that isomerism like functional isomerism, then chain isomerism, position isomerism, metamers, then tautomers. You have to first you write the classification, then you explain each one. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, these are the very important questions in your pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. Just to practice these questions with 2 marks questions. Inshallah, 2 marks questions I will add in this description. Okay, you just go and read that question. Sir, video about pharma. Inshallah, I will discuss on that pharmaceutics video when tomorrow is the examination. No, previous day I will discuss. You don't worry about that. Now pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1 students. You don't worry. You just practice these questions with 2 marks. Without neglecting, you have to practice 2 marks. 2 marks are very important one. Okay. Then if you are having any doubt, means just you can ask me in the WhatsApp group. You can take my number 7353649264. This is my WhatsApp number. Just you can ask me doubt. Inshallah, I will clear it out. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.